Hey, I want to show you the finished product of my house here in Bedford, Ohio. As you can see, the grass is nice, and you can see that we got the roof all power washed. All this stuff is power washed and cleaned. See how clean that is? Looks very nice. That was clean, but they put grass on it, but I'll clean that. That's no big deal. So, as you can see, all this stuff is cleaned out. Looks really good. Let's go inside though. That's where it really counts. So here's the kitchen. And as I was going through here, I mean, it's very clean. And like I said, I got it all painted. There's a couple things left, and I'll point that out in this video. I'm not going to shoot another one, but those are getting done. I did talk to the contractor. I make sure that everything's done on this stuff. So you can see how nice. I had to put a whole nother coat of clear on the wood floor, new blinds, plugs, switches. I had the plumber out here. He went through everything. He's putting a 2-inch drain where they put a 1.5 where there should be a 2. So it's going to affect the maintenance of it all. So you always want to make sure that's taken care of. And like they were supposed to fix the windows, I can't get this down. So he's coming up back to fix that. We'll make him caulk that. It's going to look really sharp. I mean, it's a beautiful house. Again, this is another one he was supposed to fix and get that taken care of. There's the carbon detector. We got smoke detectors. And if you remember, this particular door was, you couldn't open this one, but now you can open it. So it's not stuck anymore. And I always have the property management come in here too. So they're gonna come in and clean this really well. And as I mentioned, I don't like carpet. This particular house has it, and the last tenant really wasn't up here that much. So we're just gonna go ahead and shampoo this and get this taken care of. But you can see all this is done. Really nice area. You know, a lot of, Cleveland anyway, they do a lot of bedrooms up here, and there's a study or whatever they want to do with it. And this one's 2-bedroom, 1 bath. So as you can see, we painted this wood with a special paint. You get it pretty much anywhere. We get ours through Sherwin-Williams. And then we left that. The toilet's pretty new. It has a shower. So you can see we pretty much got it really looking sharp. So this was going to rent for right at $12.50 a month. Wow. So going to be a good money maker, good cash flow, but I'm all in for less than around 10 grand, maybe a little less. I don't have the totals yet, but I'll get them. But if you're looking to get good, learn how to do rehab, and you want professionals around you. I've done so many. We have 100% of our properties making money right now. 100%. I don't know anybody else that can say that. And if you want affordable, awesome income real estate that really appreciates and also gets you the cash flow during that time, call me. I'm Brett. Been doing this for 30-some years. I understand what your needs are. We can get something to fit your budget. 216-703-5740. 216-703-5740. People are usually shocked how much we get these houses for. But just remember, Cleveland's a very, very affordable area. 216-703-5740. Please like and subscribe. It helps me. Thanks. Have a great day.